Brian Olson here with Life Hacks for You. In snow country today, we are going to be looking at how to make your own snow chains out of a tie-down strap. If you're in a pinch and you're stuck in the snow, like what's behind me, a tie-down strap will probably get you out of that at least. Okay, looking at the snow traction device made out of a tie-down. This is another generic tie-down. I'm going to undo this and redo it just to show you how I did it. Now you have to be a little bit creative because all tie-downs are a little bit different lengths. We've got different lengths between the adjusters, things like this. So let me pop this one off, undo that, and let me pull it out completely and just show you that this is a normal tie-down with a hook at the end. Okay, it's just a normal tie-down. It's got a hook on the end with this at the end. Okay, so key thing is you want to start where you can get across. You don't want to go down here. You want to start where you get across. So one of the key things is you don't want this hook anywhere except outside the tire here. So let's start by just putting the hook right here, coming in through the back of the tire. Now, one of the things is you want to do a loop right here. Okay, one of the key things you can do is if there's a hole here, you could go through the hole like this. This will make sense in a minute. I know it's a little confusing, but reach back through. So, is what you've got is you came around the tire, back through, and this way, okay? Just like that. And eventually you're going to go this way and hook it that way. But again, you want that back loop through that way. Now, one of the things you can do is adjust the camera a little bit. If you want a little more traction, twist this, okay? Twist it a whole bunch right here. So you get, so then it sticks out from the tire, see? And that acts as a traction device. So twist it a bit, then come back through, route it through this hole here in the hook. Now if your hook doesn't have that, that's fine. Just make sure you anchor it somehow. Okay, there, go across the tire. Camera up. Go across the tire. We want to come through this way, around the back of the tire. And again, key is you want to loop it over. You want to loop it over and go back through the tire because that keeps it from slipping this way. Now poke that back through, reach around the tire, grab it. Okay. Now, make sure you kind of tighten that up. Now again, you can twist this. Okay, twist it so you get a nice ridge on it. Twist it so you get a nice ridge on it. You could even tie it in knots, I guess, but that would kind of ruin your tie down. But if it's what, see, and that's sticking out as much as a cable chain is. That's sticking out. Route this back through the same loop again. And like that. Now here's where it kind of gets tricky. So that's the end you're going to do. So this is too long, okay? So one of the things you can do is you can flip this on itself. A lot of times you can hook it through like this. So you shorten this up, okay? Shorten that up. Turns out this one's just about the right length. Put it through there like that. Crank it down. Now again, you want to watch the clearances. You want to watch the clearances. You want to watch the clearances between. You want to watch the clearances between the brake rotor and this. So make sure you push that up plenty that way. Same here. All the clearances look good. Crank that this way. And So see, you've got basically a homemade tire chain. You've got a good ridge there. You've got a good ridge over here. Good ridge over here. And you've got no clearances needed in the back either. This is all really smooth against the back side of the tire. So if you've got minimal clearances, that'll work. That's a tire chain.